Today I've got a Siel DK80 with an issue. Both 7-segment displays are very dim, and also the front panel LEDs are faint. What I noticed is when I depress the power button fully to turn it off, the display and LEDs come back to full brightness. Seems the power switch might be going out. Opening up the case, I see I'll have to remove a couple of connectors. To get to the board, I'll also need to remove the keyboard. That's held in place by 5 screws. Be sure to mind those 2 green grounding wires, and the keyboard comes right out. Now I'll need to remove another ribbon connector, and some various screws around the board. There's also a cable restraint held in by 2 small screws. I take my time removing the ribbon connector. Being very careful removing these, they are not available anymore. I use a small screwdriver to pry up both sides a little bit at a time. Also, don't bend or damage the contact legs doing this. Here's what the switch looks like when removed. I opened it up to see if it can be cleaned. Those contacts were dirty and blackened. They're held in place by these springs. After cleaning and testing the switch, I've determined it's not working 100%. This is likely due to the contact springs being worn out. So I'll go ahead and replace the switch with a new one. The actuator is not quite as long, but in all other regards the switch appears the same. I'll need to reuse the metal fitting from the old switch and put it into the new one. I'll also want to reuse the old switch cap. I'll just need to use a Dremel tool and bore out the hole so it will fit. Using an adhesive like shoe glue will ensure that I can remove it easily in the future, just in case the switch wears out in another 15 or 20 years from now. And now when I boot the synth, it's ready to rock and roll.